which is my mama's birthday. So right now, I'm going to head to my mom's place, give her some flowers, tell her happy birthday, you know, do all my cute son and mama stuff, you hear me? But right now, I'm looking for another cat. I don't know where this man went, so that's what I'm trying to do. These two don't like each other. That's Chosen, that's Luna. Watch they be best friends. That's how I start off. You know what I mean? Why y'all beefing so much? Man, that's crazy. Get your mama some flowers. You know what I mean? It don't gotta be a special occasion. Just get your mama some flowers. Tell her how much you love her and appreciate her. We ain't got our mamas forever, man. So, I got to my mom's house. She's not even home. When I was driving into the place, she was leaving out. And that was like literally 3 hours ago. I just wasted 3 hours of doing literally nothing. Like nothing. But I'm moving. Still my stuff is moving. I got my Zosh banners up there. I got a bunch of stuff in the box. I've been driving back and forth 10-minute drives from my mom's house to my house. And it's just, oh my God. I hate moving. Moving sucks. But this is Vlogmas. And I'm going to show you guys everything. You know what's really nice that most people take for granted is when someone asks, have you ate today? Have you eaten today? Have you ate today? Have you eaten today? Have you eat today? Yep, that's how, yep. That's exactly how bored I am right now. But, take the stuff back to the crib, edit yesterday's video that you're watching today, December 1st, and then December 1st video will be out December 2nd. That's how you do Vlogmas. You want to film a couple videos ahead and then do it, and then yada 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 yada. Now I am back at my place of residence, and I'm hungry. Luna, you want to say hi to the vlog? Oh, fuck! So this is how the desk setup is, and now it is time to edit a video right now for y'all. Bro, these are the best Slim Jims money can buy, baby. The best Slim Jims money can buy. But right now we're going to hang out with Haran Lolo. We're gonna go to the gym early, and then I'm gonna do like a photo shoot of his car or something like that. Get some, you know what I mean, just to hang out with my dog. Maybe go for like some pool reaction or something like that. I don't know. We'll see what we can get into. Yep.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
We motherfucking go. All right, so I just finished up recording a sponsored video for Hoover, actually, so that's dope. Now me and Rainy, you probably can't see him back there, but we're on our way to the gym, and then I think we're going to his house later after the gym to fix up something on his RSX. He's having a nasty ass fuel leak coming from his fuel cap thing where your fuel pump goes. So we're gonna try to get that fixed. I need gas. That's wild, and yeah. That's it, player. And then I think I told you guys that we're gonna do a photo shoot with this car later on. So that's what's going on right now. Run, Lolo. I just discovered that my door is broken. You guys won't be able to see it, but oh yeah, you can. Bro, it's broken. Holy shit. Well, let's add getting a new door to the list that Akira needs. Wow, I need a new white door. Wow. Welcome to the JDM house. You want an RSX? Cash me out, 2 bands. You want a TSX? Cash me out.
Yeah, 2 bands. You get the fucking wheels.
Cash me out, 1,500. My door broke, so 500.
1,500, kind of deal.
1,500 for what? That is a deal. So what Randy gonna do right now is fix up his rear in the back, cause that thing is clappity clap. All right, Randy went ahead and raised up the car and then we found an issue. We gotta get some Permatex dressing thing. Where's it coming from? The
feed.
Oh, the fitting?
No, not the fitting. Where it's built.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I was supposed to put it on.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I couldn't find it in no store, so I never put it on.
Now we're on our way to O'Reilly, and we're gonna go to LKQ this Sunday to get a door because this, right? See, I don't know how far that rust goes down, and I don't know if you can even see the rust. Can you see the rust? Yeah, that is AIDS. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get a new door because this is just, yeah, that's crazy. Never noticed that. That's wild. The more you know. All right, so we got the stuff we need to fix up Randy's car, the Ultra Permatex stuff. But I might have to skedaddle back to my place because I don't have my wallet and I'm on EE. So if you ever buy the JBtuned kit, this is what you need right here. Let me see if I can get it in light. This is what you need, baby. This is what you need, baby. What a beast. So what you gotta take off the line and do it or something?
Yeah, I gotta take this off. And
Oh, you got gas everywhere. So
pretty much puts the sealant over there.
yeah. This is not tight all the way. I never put none on mine.
Never put none on mine. I feel like it's loose, that's why.
Wait, what the fuck?
Yeah, I feel like it's loose too.
Yeah, you're not supposed to do that.
No.
One thing I hate about RS6 is when you gotta
Put this bitch back in here.
yup, that shit trash, dog.
Straight garbage. Somebody know the easier way, please tell me.
That's why they discontinued these motherfuckers. Oh, you got it.
Yeah, I got one. It's like a two-step on a gasket.
That been flexing a hole. Oh, damn tank, what?
Your fuel tank plastic?
I have no idea. On the Integra?
Yeah.
Nah, it's supposed to be metal.
Yeah, this bitch plastic. It's okay.
Damn, bruh. What a beautiful day outside. Oh, what's up, girl? Ooh, let me talk to you real quick. Hey, how you doing, boo? No gas. No gas. So, I'm going to get some gas right now. You feels me? Shout out to Randy's mom, aka mom number 2. She gave me a lot of stuff. Well, me and baby girl some stuff for our crib. So shout out to Mama Dukes. God love it. Guy needs mama, baby. Them West Indian people are the best people in the world, playboy. So back home, Chosen is still beefing with Liv, Luna, and Tigger. Who's in here? Luna. Watch what happens. Look, watch. You gonna be nice? There go Tigger. Oh wow.
Well, yeah, he's been like that, but then Luna gets close to him, and then Luna wants to like.
Luna's a thug. I love Luna.
Luna's like her mom.
Chosen. What's up, my son? What's up, boy? What's up? What's up, man?
Liv just does her own thing.
Yeah.
She's like, as long as she doesn't follow me.
I'm good. Okay. So now it is time to upload this vlog because tonight is date night. Gonna go get some wings or something and connect. That's what you should do if you have a woman. Connect with your woman on try to do like a weekly basis. You know what I mean? Just do something like that. So if you guys enjoyed day 2 of Vlogmas, leave a like on the video. All in all, most of these Vlogmas videos won't be as, I guess, entertaining and much because it's my daily life. You know, not everything is gonna be lit and cool. I'm gonna try to do a podcast here soon. I'm gonna set up the podcast stuff on this. started to get some stuff for the wall ordered. Once more sponsorship money come in, and that should be good. And I can give you guys more weekly based podcasts with like homies from Mark, Honda Street Garage. Like I can have people phone in and talk. It'll be pretty cool to have something going with this. And then yeah, you guys can see the transformation of all this stuff that's gonna be happening very soon. Yeah, so just look out for that stuff. What else? Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like on the video. If you did not enjoy the video, leave a dislike on the video. It's kind of crazy how YouTube took away the dislike thing. So whenever I'm trying to like pirate, applications and stuff that I need to use, they won't allow me to know if that's a good video or not because the dislike ratio and like ratio is gone. So that's butt cheeks. But all in all, I'll see y'all in the next one. I am out. Peace.